think it's too hard to get in shape? Then this video is for you. Learn how to keep fit and healthy lying on a couch. Watch weird life hacks of how to get fit for a lazy person. Meet Miss Smith, a math teacher who's also a great sports fan. She's an athlete and serious exerciser. Besides, she supports healthy lifestyle choices in her students. She wants them to work out regularly to stay in shape. Let's get started with a sports accessory. Make an athletic headband first. Cut out a strip of an old towel. Measure it out to fit your head girth. Cut off the excess. Apply hot glue and fold the edge. Turn it over to the middle and hot glue. Attach Velcro to the ends. During an exhausting workout, it'll soak up your sweat to prevent it from getting into your eyes. Let's exercise like a pro. No one knows Miss Smith used to participate in cycle racing. She won a race once. Come on, Miss Smith, go! The students don't rush to get to a workout. Where are they? She'll have to hurry them up. It's so nice to sit on a couch doing nothing. It's been a wonderful, lazy morning until a ghost of sport appears. Good morning, Miss Smith. The teacher doesn't like to see us doing nothing. She keeps staring at us. Don't look at us like that, Miss Smith. We are frightened. She tries to make us go to a gym. At first, she tries to talk to us. When she fails, she tries to pull us from the couch. No, don't touch me. I can't get fit because I'm lazy. Okay then, there's no student whom Miss Smith couldn't manage to make exercise. She's got a workout plan for a lazy person. It's a lazy warm-up to start with. Stretch your arm muscles while sitting on the couch. Now, an abs exercise. Put your legs on the back of the couch at a 90-degree angle. Lift the upper part of your body. Miss Smith is restless. She looks like a Rambo character. Oh, I've overdone it a little. Calm down, girls. I'm okay now. I can't lie quietly on the couch. Miss Smith put shackles on my ankles. Oh, ankle weights, I wanted to say. Fold a piece of denim in half. Hot glue one side. Turn it right side out. Measure out identical slots. Make each of about 1.5 inches wide. Hot glue the wrong side to separate the slots. Take another little piece of denim. Trim the edge. Attach the denim strip to the other side of the base. Put raw rice into each slot. Hot glue the slots. Take a rubber band. Make sure the rubber band piece is shorter than the fabric base. Hot glue one end of the band to one side of the base. Attach the other end to the other side. Gather the fabric a little and hot glue the rubber band across the entire length. Attach Velcro to the opposite ends. Decorate the ankle weight using an adhesive ribbon. Make another device in the same style. Use these smart ankle weights to exercise while you're doing anything else. Lie on your stomach while watching a movie, reading a book, or liking Instagram pictures of fit bodies. Don't forget to move your legs all the time. Build your glutes and calves. Do your best to get Miss Smith's like for your exercise. I've got another device. What's this? Maracas. Let's make a party. Oh no, Miss Smith says they're dumbbells. It's not for fun, it's for getting in shape. Cut out the bottom and the top from a plastic bottle. Join them using double-sided tape. Wind double-sided tape around the middle. Decorate it using pink yarn. Take a 5-inch piece of a thin plastic pipe. Mark the diameter on the bottle top. Cut out a hole. Pass the tube through the top and hot glue. Color the salt. Put it into the bottle. Make the other dumbbell in the same way. Attach the tube to the other top. Assemble the dumbbell. Fasten the tops with hot glue. Squeeze a lot of glue to the tube to shape a handle. Wrap it with the yarn. Build your arms while watching your favorite talk show sitting on the couch. Do the following exercises during an ad break. Press one arm against the couch. Lift the dumbbell